Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's T-Rex here, and we're gonna be playing White Noise online. I've never really played this before. I've never checked it out on YouTube, so this is gonna be the first time to play it. So I hope you guys enjoy. But hopefully this would scare me. So sensitivity pickup. I see trees and foggy. Where am I supposed to go? Oh shit. Oh, okay. Okay. Hi, Rock. Hi, Rock. What's your name? I see green on you. So it seems like you had fun last night. Oh, what am I hearing? Oh, you're buzzing. What is that? What is that? Seriously? Really? I thought. You made the main. What? You made the main mistake. Wow. Ooh, so scary. Should I just keep going? Should I... What is that? Oh, shit! Bye-bye! 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 I think hi, little friend. You're naked. Walking away. Walking away. Ooh. Ooh. Who's that? Who's that? Hello? Hello? While you walking on sunshine, whoa, you feel, ooh, water. Why are you hiding? Don't hide from me, it's not hide and seek. Don't hide and seek. Should I follow that guy over? Might as well. Oh, okay. Oh, I could probably give me a hit. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, grass. Hi, grass. What's your name? Oh, my name is. What was that? Oh, that's what I mean, coffee. Oh, right there. Oh, your freaking head just twitched it. Twitched. Run away. Whoa. Whoa, is that an alien? Is that an alien? Oh, that's a hand. It's a foot or something. I don't even know. I don't even know. Hi. What's your... Oh, I don't think I'm not supposed to go over there. Should I? Should I go over there? Curious. Okay. 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 Oh, fuck. What's with these green thingies? Green faces, statues. Wait, this is the same path I went last time. Or am I just... Oh, fucking asshole! You fucking asshole! Fuck you! You scared the shit out of me. Oh, I see someone. What's your name? Hello? Hello? Hi, Bob. 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 Why you blue, Bob? Bob. 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 Should I follow you? Fuck you. Or statues. I need to be like, what's up? Ooh, that's awesome. Statue. Goofa. I wanna beat this. Dude. What's up? What's up? What's up? Dude, imagine being in the forest like this. No flash. Oh fuck this. Never mind. Need my flashlight. Oh, we found the road. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? 2 balls, no eyes, and a can opener. And big ears. Sounds like a alien to me. Where you going? Oh, okay, baby. I'm gonna check in here because it sounds like a sign to me. What is that? Bus stop. Well, it's not a bus stop anymore now. Let's follow the road. The bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. I see some foggy, greeny bubbles in the house. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Should I check over here? I should check. Okay. Okay. Oh. Found you. Is that a dog? Yeah, that's a dog. That's probably his pet. Oh, baby, baby, I'm gonna look up this way. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. Oh no, that's probably fine. He's following me. Why are you talking to me? Why are you talking to me? You gonna rape me? You gonna rape me? It's not Big Jim, man. It's not the prison. This is White House. Oh, what's this game called? I forgot what this game called. Phil. Oh my God! I'm not gonna get scared by a stupid little big Bob, big guy. Two more. Running. What is that? Is that fish? Is that a fish? It is a fish. It is a fish. What is that? A crab? Is that? I have no idea what that is. Oh, I see some of those. Oh, okay, I know where we are. That was not scary. Tape recorders found 11 minutes and 54 seconds. Oh, alright guys. See you guys later and see you next time. Peace.